Hello channel. Uh, this is a quick video of something I've come across in my parents' house. I was going through their drawers, emptying out some of the drawers because we sold the house and we have to get rid of things. And I came across these very old tomato seeds. Probably as old as I am, if not older. I'm 50 years old. And these seeds look like they're probably from that era. They're 49 cents, 30 cents a bag. Very old. So old that some of these things, the seeds are kept in wax paper, not aluminum foil. And I've decided to try to plant them. I've got little pots here. I'm going to take a few seeds from each packet and I'm going to try to plant them. I'm going to try to plant this one. No, sorry. This one, and this one. And I will show you the results. These will be some very ancient tomatoes, 50-year-old tomato seeds, at least. And I'll let you know how it goes. So anyways, just thought you'd get a kick out of this. The seeds look good. I looked inside the envelopes. They actually look perfectly fine. They look like they were packaged just the other day. So that could actually be very exciting. These packages never got really wet or anything. And some of them are still sealed. Like this packet here was never even opened. 1974. Well, there you go, 1974. That's when these were probably bought. Although that one looks older. Anyways, so thought I'd share that with you, YouTube. There's no date on this one. So, but this one says 1974. So I was 5 years old when this was packaged and sold. When my dad bought it, I probably was with him. I don't remember that, but it was probably at our local store in Laval, Quebec. Actually, no, this was in Dorion. If we bought these, we bought them in Dorion. So anyways, thought I would share them with you. And I'll show you the results when they grow. Talk to you later. Bye.